Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Monday, November 11th, 2019. And today is Veterans Day. It is the day that we celebrate our veterans and armed services who served our country either in the past or currently. So thank you to all of our veterans that are out there, all the families and parents and aunts and uncles that you might have who were in the armed services. Thank you very much for your time and service and dedication. I'll be having a short video today about Veterans Day to kind of give you a little bit more information about it too. That will be taking a place for our normal pause expectations that we would do for today. For today, we do have our first trimester assembly that is happening at 1 o'clock today in the gym. So we have some Principal Pride winners, and then also just to do some recognition of programs of people in the building. Our book fair will be happening today. It's in the Art and Music Room. You'll be able to purchase books at the end of the day after school today. There is no birthdays to announce for today. We do have a couple birthdays coming up tomorrow, however. And our lunch choices are chicken tenders, mini corn dog, and sun butter and jelly. And at this time, I will play the video for the Veteran Day Facts for Kids.
Welcome to this homeschool pop video where we're looking at Veterans Day facts for kids and anyone else who would love to celebrate this incredible holiday. Veterans Day is an amazing holiday, and there's a special thing that you can do, and we're going to tell you about at the end of this video. But we're really glad you're here because Veterans Day, as we said, is an amazing holiday. So, what is a veteran? If we know what a veteran is, then we can know what this holiday is all about. Do you know what a veteran is? Well, a veteran is anyone who has served in the military. So anyone who has served in the military is a veteran. The military, also known as the Armed Forces, has 5 branches or parts. There are 5 branches of the military. Do you know what they are? You're about to find out, and everyone's going to be like, oh my goodness, he knows or she knows all of the branches of the military. That is so cool. Okay, so here are the 5 branches of the military. The Marine Corps, the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. Remember, anyone who has served any of the branches of the military is a veteran. So if you're speaking with a veteran, someone who has served in the armed forces, you can ask them, which branch did you serve in? They would probably love to share that with you, and you can learn some new things about that branch of the military. Together, all 5 branches of the military defend our freedom. How amazing is that? The military defends our freedom on land, in the sea, in the air, and even in cyberspace. While you're eating, while you're sleeping, while you're watching homeschool pop videos, the 5 branches of the military are defending your freedom all around the world. And what's amazing is Veterans Day is a holiday that honors all of those who have served in the military, past and present. Now, something interesting about Veterans Day. Veterans Day is always on November 11th, and there's a very good reason for that. But no matter what day of the week it is, Veterans Day is always on November 11th. November 11th is an important day because on November 11th, 1918, an armistice was signed that ended World War I. Here's a newspaper from that day, and it says, peace. You see, an armistice is an agreement between two opposing sides to end a war, and everyone was so glad that World War I was finally over. The holiday began on November 11th, 1919 as Armistice Day. That was the 1-year anniversary of that amazing armistice. Remember, an armistice is an agreement to end a war. It was called Armistice Day until 1954. In 1954, President Dwight Eisenhower renamed the holiday Veterans Day. He wanted the holiday to celebrate all of the veterans from all of the wars and celebrate those who are serving today, veterans past and present. Now, if you remember, at the beginning of the video, we said that there would be something special you could do for Veterans Day. Ask a parent or guardian if there are any veterans you know that you can thank. That is the best way to celebrate Veterans Day, is to honor those who have served in the military. Remember, those who have served in the military defend your freedom. And on Veterans Day, we have a special opportunity to say thank you.
All right, boys and girls, so for your homework that you need to do then is to ask your parents or family member of people who might be veterans in your family, and then talk to them and tell them thank you for the service that they did to keep us safe and protect our freedoms. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. Will you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance? All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and you have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, and everyone have a great Veterans Day. I'll see everybody at the awards assembly that's happening at 1 o'clock today. Have a wonderful day.